I got the Greenworks multi-tool kit. Very, very nice. Here, power on, power off, quick change. Very, very nice tool. You get the battery charger. You get the how-to. You get sanding pads, plunge cut blade, scraper blade, flush cut blade, and sanding plate. Very, very good tool. You get the how-to. You can adjust the speed. The battery slides in right here. I can charge it up. There's a utility light in the front. Very, very good tool. Highly recommend Greenworks multi-tool kit. Very, very good product.
Okay, so my first look at this Greenworks multi tool cutter. I have found that just trying to get the battery on this thing is nearly impossible. I've had mixed results with Greenworks products, but this, that's how you get the battery on. That's how tight that battery is, and that's not, I don't feel like that is how it should fit at all.
Okay, this is the Greenworks multi-tool. I have one of the blades that came with the kit on it. And we have some soft maple here. We're just going to cut into it a little bit and see how it works. We have it on number 6, and you can also hear the noise.